Right, we're going to be wiring this with new wires, and it's the same as here, but we've got to desolder the pins. Right, removed all the little wires, cleaned up the pins, and as you can see, the new wires just push fitted. So we're ready. Put the cartridge back in. On measuring the old cartridge and the height, I can see that, well, this will come out, but we need a spacer to raise the new cartridge above the shell. Right, this cartridge, bought from the web, supposed to be compatible with the 9TA, but I don't think it is, especially with the tone arm on this Garrard deck, because even with the weight, counterweight set right forward, it's still far too light for tracking, and you can see why. This complete assembly only weighs under 3.5 grams, whereas the Sonotone, complete with the mount, weighs in approximately 9.5 grams, so quite a bit heavier. Sonotone is also HC, which means it's high compliance. Right, just to conclude, BSR is out. Garrard manual for the deck. And if you turn to the near to last page, talks about stylus pressure and tracking. This is the one we need, and as they say, genuine styling gives best results. And this is prepared now for connecting up the new old Sonotone, which is coming hopefully in the next day or two.